Good manners at school. Greet your teachers and friends. Always obey and respect your teachers. Help your teacher. Be friendly, don't fight with others. Throw rubbish in dustbin. Keep your school clean. Don't scribble on the walls or furniture of the school. Go to school on time. Be ready before the bus comes to pick you up. Be active and take part in all school activity. Do your homework regularly. Waiting for your turn before you speak. Don't shout in school. Wear neat and tidy uniform. Always be in a queue.